Hey guys, this is Raj Jaggi again. Day 28, Walk with Raj. As I mentioned, we are promoting 3 local businesses. We are shouting for them. Yesterday, I have 3 businesses. One was mortgage, one was, I think, moving company, and the third was the insurance. So today we have 3 more businesses. So I know I like people are sending me their information. Today, Surinder Jatol, Lok Mardan, Rahul Jaggi, welcome. So this is my day 20. Today we are promoting 3 new. I want to say Liz Thomas Singh, and second business for Neelam Ramchandrani, and third for Richa Sharma, Women Power. So I want to say thank you very much for joining Narinder, Shikha Singla, Tripatjit Kaur. So joining my Walk with Raj. Today is day 28 of Women Power. So I'm promoting 3 women who are very successful in her business. So I want to talk. First I want to talk Liz Thomas. Larry, welcome. Jatinder Singh Multani, welcome to my Walk with Raj. So today I'll talk to first business is, what is her name? Liz Thomas Singh. And she run a business for Mary Kay. A lot of people know who is Mary Kay, what kind of business they are. They are one of the successful business for the people who want to work from home and get a lot of business opportunity in Mary Kay. So in this video, I want to say thank you very much, and I want to give you, Sasikal ji, all the very best, whatever you are doing. So as I mentioned, I have 100,000 of followers. Anita Bhatti, welcome. So today we are talking, so I'm talking 3 most successful ladies in her business. Liz Thomas Singh, and then other is Neelam Ramchandani in LA, tax planner, and Neelam, you can write down what other service you guys are doing. Ravi Singh, welcome. Shyam Sindhwani, welcome. Lata Ghai, welcome. Sanjeev Chadda, my buddy. Talking like 3 businesses. Promise I will put 3 business. Every week I will promote, free promotion from me, my team Raj Jaggi on my all social media. So the other is Richa Sharma. And she does business for the home, auto, as well as she has 6-hour driving classes. So if you need any help, you can go. They are all my Facebook friend. Shyam Sindhwani, my buddy, who has a moving company, very big moving company. Yesterday I talked about him, and he's my walking. So as welcome. So sorry, brothers, sisters, whoever watching, if I cannot say your name, don't blame me, because I'm walking and talking. One is Neelam Ramchandani, and third one is Richa Sharma, Women Power. Amy Khan, welcome. So if anyone want to promote their business, please write down on the comments. And yesterday when I was doing live video, I have one of my friend, they asked for the mortgage. So they exchanged their number. Everybody is working. William Brown, realtor, and my team partner. Welcome. So joining Jasmine. Welcome joining. Today is day 28. So yesterday when I was walking, one of the lady who I am talking about, Neelam Ramchandani. So they have a Blue Lotus service. The husband and wife both are CPA in Los Angeles. They have their number. So businesses are outside CFT, tax preparation. Thank you very much, Neelam ji. So she yesterday said, Raj, we like your walk with Raj. So can you extend for 60 days? I said, yes, I will definitely think about that. Jagpreet Rajat Verma, thank you for joining. So as I promised with her, and one of my friend, Anand from Houston, and he's not walking 10,000 steps, so I told him, if you walk with me 10,000 steps, I will extend this 30 days to 60 days. So I'm waiting for him to get me his steps, but I will definitely extend. Thank you, Neelam ji, for encouraging me. So you can see all over the world people are joining. You don't need, you are in Australia, you are in New Zealand, you are in Canada, you are in New York, Queens, Manhattan, anywhere. So if you want, I will definitely promote your business, but I will do this due diligence while doing. Melissa Curtis, American Contour Mortgage. So if you can send me your information, I will talk about you tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I have few more businesses. So if you need free promotion, this is my free promotion. It goes to all my Facebook page as well as my thank you, Rajat. So as I mentioned, today is day 28th, my walk with Raj. Yes, my knee is hurting, but still I'm walking. So as I promised you guys, I had my challenge. Ronald Steiger. Thank you, man. He is my buddy, a very good community member, Ronald, a realtor as well as a financial planner. Ronald, if you want, I can talk about you for 5 minutes tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Get me your information. So I'm free businesses on my walk. So if you know someone need free advertisements, so please text me your information, or if you know someone of you to get acknowledged by me, this is free service. I want to give all my Facebook family, all my friends, whoever, wherever they are. So as I mentioned, so Mintu Anand, so he promised me yesterday he will do 10,000 steps. So if you do 10,000 steps, I will extend 60 days. Neelam ji, listen to you too. So I love my job. So this is, I know people are watching, say why I have to watch. So Raj Sharma ji, welcome. Thank you. Thank you, Bill. So in my journey, I have my wife, Gini Jaggi, Rahul Jaggi, who start 10,000 steps. So now I have 38 people. Shyam Sidwani, Kulvinder Singh, Karen Charles, almost 38 people I have. And today is day 28th. If I don't have 50 by the day 30th, 31st May. No, 30th, day 30th. So if you guys need any help, I think they extend New York. So I want to say thank you very much, whoever joined today and Facebook page or my Facebook live walk. So If you want, I can promote you guys. I was a little late today because India, Yash Paul, he called me. I had my anniversary. He called me on the other day. I could not talk, so I was a little busy, and he's watching with me right now, my buddy, my childhood friend. So I'm glad lots of people are joining. Ranjit Badia, I was waiting for you. I know you usually come. Raji. So thank you for joining. So day 28, 12,000 steps, 5 miles. So today I want to say names of the 3 businesses which I choose: Women Power, Liz Thomas Singh, Richa Sharma, and Neelam Ramchandani. They are doing excellent work in their field. If you need their help, you can contact with them. Pradeep Kumar, TJ Shah, about him day for yesterday. So if you guys can share this on your Facebook, if they need any help, please let me know. So I know whoever is my friend, they know what I do for a living. Raj Jaggi from Team Raj Jaggi. Your home sold guaranteed, I will buy it. And get an offer on your house in 24 hours, cash offer on your house if you want to sell. So that kind of service we are giving to the community. So as I mentioned, I'm promoting 3 local people, local businesses. I already promote Shyam Sadhwani, TJ Shah, or his insurance guy, and then mortgage guy, Daniel Tariq yesterday, and today we have 3 more new business. Tomorrow I will bring more business. We will talk. So if you want me to talk about your business, this is free advertisements. I want to give back to my Facebook family who are friend with me. Everybody know I'm a good marketer, and this is free service I want to give to all my. So I got a message from Ronald Snyder. Ronald, I will talk about you on my business, or you can call me, give me update what else you want me to talk in the community. Sahiba Kaur, welcome my buddy Ravi Saluja. So as this is 28th day, everybody know. Mr. Bhala, thank you very much joining. Karen, I can see a lot. So I will talk about 3 businesses every day, day 28th. But as I mentioned, I will add to 6. I'm getting personal request. So we'll see you tomorrow, same time, 1:30 New York time. Till then, be safe, be healthy, keep me in prayer. We'll see you tomorrow. I love you all. Take care.